It's time for another Pedro the Panda upgrade. Hello and welcome back to another PTP 4x4 video, and today I am doing a well-needed upgrade to Pedro the Panda because, as you're aware, he is not completely standard, mainly due to the engine. It is running almost 3 times the power the car originally came with from factory, and that means there are other components on the car which just aren't quite up to scratch. Some of those components I can't do anything about. Hopefully they'll manage the extra power, but there are some areas that I can improve to try and kind of keep up with the now 150 horsepower engine I've got. One of the areas I was really interested in upgrading was the brakes. These are completely standard and they have been on the car now for the last 3 years or however long I've owned the car. I think I've changed them once when I first got the car, and apart from that I have not touched them. Recently, just before we were heading off to the Peak District, one of my rear brake calipers failed and I replaced that with a used one that I had lying around. But since then I have changed that for a new caliper. I was then looking into brake upgrades for this car. Obviously I'm quite restricted with the size of the wheel, but then I spoke to a company called EBC, who are quite a popular brake manufacturer, especially for performance cars, and I said to them, look, I've got this car, what can you do to help me? And they said, we've got various bits and pieces for this car on the shelf that we can send you. Things like upgraded discs, upgraded pads, and brake fluid as well. So yeah, I thought, why not? Let's try it out. And I thought it'd be a great idea to get on top of the stopping power of Pedro the Panda. So let's look at the back of Pedro and I'll show you what I've got. So I thought, because one brake caliper had failed, chances are all of the rest of them are the same age and they're going to fail very soon. So out of peace of mind, I've bought 3 more brand new brake calipers which are going to go on the car, and I think that will complement nicely all of the stuff from EBC that I've got to try out, and I'm really excited for this. So first of all, brake pads. They essentially are an upgrade on the original one, so a slightly different compound to help with stopping ability. You get a little sticker in there, and then you look in there, look at that little brake pad. Isn't that cute? But yeah, so slightly more up to the challenge for more kind of rugged use. So you're probably thinking, well, you're not exactly going to be going on a racetrack in Pedro the Panda. You never know. But no, you're right, I'm not. It's mainly when you're doing, well, like I experienced in the Alps, when you're doing trails in the mountains, you've got to drive up the mountain to get to the trail, and then you've got to drive back down. And there was a time in the Alps last year where my brakes did get fairly hot. They didn't start to fade, but they were very close. So things like this definitely will help. But also when you're going through some pretty awful conditions, mud, dirt and what have you build up, the brakes, which I've now got, they will help with this problem, because I thought brakes this time I wanted something a bit more fancy. Look at that. So these are dimpled and grooved, which again mainly for kind of track use, for temperature, but also these grooves will help with expelling water and any kind of dirt. So there is method behind the madness here, and I think these just look way cooler than just a slab piece of metal. But also, with a future upgrade that I'm going to do to Pedro the Panda, which you'll see in the coming weeks, these are going to complement my next upgrade very nicely. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, so dimpled and grooved discs, front and back, and a set of green stuff brake pads to go along with that. And then, as a little extra, I got some upgraded brake fluid. Again, down a mountain pass, you can sometimes get overheated brakes. This will help with that as well. So that is the plan for this evening. I think now it's time to get Pedro the Panda on the ramp, get these horrible wheels off, and let's fit some upgraded brakes.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet, wanna stay home, not even drink, wanna get out of my own head, wanna lay down, overthink, I wanna cry every tear I got, put on a dress, strangest dream.
So we are starting to remove the brake components. So we've clamped off the flexi, and then Jamie, my mechanic, hello, is going to start removing some bits and pieces. But they've had a hard life. Then if I show you the pads that were in there before, these were the pads that were in there before. I changed them last week just because they were making a funny noise, and that is probably why the actual material has come off the backing plate. So not great. The other pad actually has loads of meat left on it, so could have lasted a bit longer. Got new sliding pins as well. They're already on the car when I changed the front pads last week, because these often do stick. Hey, look at that. Look at that wrist action. Right, I'll keep them as spares.
Throw those in the bin.
I know, I'll keep them as spares, I think. They're just to get me out of a tricky situation. But now I've got EBC green stuff pads to go in. Hey, isn't that exciting?
Killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight, wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left.
Is that bad?
Dirty.
It's not good.
This bit.
Yeah. That should be
Wibbly
nice and
wobbly.
clean. Needs a good clean.
I wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing.
So we're only doing this because there is a chance later in the year we will be driving on a beach.
Don't give it away.
Oh yeah, I'm just dropping
Just
a little bit,
teasing.
just teasing. And we don't want that to weld itself
Wow.
to the disc, so a little bit of grease isn't going to hurt, is it?
Yeah. I just slap.
Yeah, put a bit on the brake pads as well.
Oh, it stops you wearing, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
exactly. Nice. Yeah?
That's good.
Okay.
That's
Oh.
good enough.
Look at that. Oh. That's beautiful. Oh. Doesn't that look way better than just a solid, horrible looking disc like that? And with my next modification, which is coming soon, that is going to look great. Caliper carrier going back on. Already has the new slider pins, which I fitted the other day. Click. Click. Okay, so it could be that one. Do they come with new slider pins? No.
That's the wrong caliper.
What do you mean?
That isn't the caliper for your car.
Is it not?
No. Do you know what caliper that is for?
What?
Cinquecento.
Is it actually?
Yes.
It looks as though I have ordered the wrong brake calipers for this car. So, they're going to have to go back. And we're going to have to just reuse my original ones for now. And change those at a later date. It's a bit annoying.
So I just put that one back on there.
Yeah, I think if we just put that one
right there.
that fits the car.
Ignore we said put it in the bin.
Yeah.
And we'll put that on there.
That right there.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll do that.
But this needed copper grease anyway.
Yeah, it did. It's good because we will change it eventually. So this is just preempting that. So that's good. It's a good test run. But the disc looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That looks good. Yeah, that's nice. And we've got the pads there,
Right there.
which will look good. So we'll just continue as we were.
No,
You just pick that one up.
This one right here. And
Yeah.
then we'll just put this one right here, right on there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay.
We'll just pretend it's new and shiny.
Yeah, that's nice.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it.
Front left corner complete. Now time to move on to the back.
Till the sun's up Monday.
Oh, that's rather tight.
Oh, look at that little thing, eh?
Yeah.
As you can see, this caliper is lovely and new with the new flexi, because it seized on. Well, it didn't seize on, it was leaking not so long ago. So I know that the rear one I've got is correct. Old disc is off. That has not been off in a while. Time to clean the mounting face and put the new one on. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
It's pretty dirty. It's probably a bit of Andorra, a bit of the Ardèche, a bit of Wales, a bit of the Alps, a bit of Salisbury, a bit of the Lake District.
Bit of Luton.
Bit of Luton, yeah, very true. Left hand rear now complete, time to move on to the right hand rear.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
And then time to tackle the final corner.
I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just.
And once the final corner was completed, it was time to get the brake fluid out, load it into the pressure bleeder, and bleed the braking system.
I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
No boobles.
It's good. Oh yeah.
There it comes.
Those bubbles run through.
I reckon that's good enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only your car.
All wheels are back on, brakes are bled, new brakes are on all round, and I'm looking forward to trying out the new brakes. Look at those. going on a road trip soon to Scotland, so that'll be a good test for them. And then, soon after that, Pedro the Panda is going to look very different, so stay tuned. Well, it has been a couple of weeks now since the upgraded brakes have been installed into Pedro the Panda, and I have driven him to the Lake District and back, so they are all fully bedded in. And yeah, straight away I could feel a massive difference. The biting force is way better. And there's one point where I had to kind of do a slight emergency stop, and the ABS had to kick in. And that hasn't happened in a long time. You can't really even see them through the steel wheels, and that is going to change very soon. But I'm very happy with that. I was surprised that there's a company out there even offering some kind of performance upgraded brakes for a Fiat Panda 4x4, but EBC do. I would highly recommend using them. I think that the kit is great, and I don't think they're stupidly priced as well. So I'm chuffed that I got in touch with them and got a set of discs, pads and brake fluid, because that's going to transform Pedro. And on a light car like this, you know, they should last 3 years plus. So yeah, can't complain with that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video on Pedro the Panda, and we've got a few more trips lined up as well, so stay tuned for them.